Hi guys, in this video you will see how to read an image from disk drive and then saving that image into the hardware, but we will examine two different approaches and then look at the differences. So the first thing to do is I have a shared image in my Google Drive. So because I wanna read that shirt from a Google Drive, I have to use from Google Lab import drive, and then I can mount my Google Drive, G Drive. So by this line, it will be mounted on my G Drive. Then I can define directory, which directory would be content, G Drive, my drive, and then this folder imsave. So let's run this code. It asks to connect to Google Drive. Then you see that it is successfully mounted at G Drive. So the next part is reading the input, which is a shared image. So I'm going to use scikit-learn or skimage, from skimage import imread and also imsave. So I can define a variable shared, then using imread. So I'm gonna define the directory shared.jpg. So you see that the name of this file is shared.jpg. So, and also I want to ensure this shared just to double check what I am using. So there is an error here. Let's figure out. So one thing that I forgot should be skimage.io. There we go. So you see that the picture of the shirt here. Just remember the details and color. So I'm going to saving image approach 1. In approach 1, I can import cv2, and I'm using im1 cv2 imwrite method. So approach 1 is imwrite method. So in imwrite, I should define a directory for output. So let's define this one as shirt 1 or shirt saved, and which object I'm going to save, that shirt object. So let's run it. So I can visualize this shirt that's saved. It would take a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay, there we go. Now you see that this is the original shirt. This is what we saved as an imwrite. You see that the colors are changing when we use imwrite. So I'm not gonna go to the detail how we can use imwrite and then save the original. There should be some ways to deal with that, but I'm gonna represent one easy way how we can save an image without doing additional processing. So saving image, approach 2. In approach 2, I'm gonna use matplotlib. So from matplotlib, import pyplot. So pyplot has a function imsave, like pyplot imsave, which can appropriately save an image. So again, I can define the directory, and also maybe better to saved to another name. Let's run this one, and then I'm going to show. Let's add it to here. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, we have to wait more. There we go. Just we had to wait a few seconds more. Now you see that the pyplot approach, pyplot imsave approach, can save your original image appropriately, but this approach, which is imwrite, may not be good and needs additional processing. So it was the main purpose of this video, to kind of read an image and then saving your image into your drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much and have a great time.